Hey everyone, welcome back to Stock Predictor, the channel where we break down business, investing, and online money-making ideas in the simplest way possible. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about online business models in the world right now, dropshipping. If you've ever wondered what dropshipping actually is, how it works, and why people call it a low-investment business anyone can start, then keep watching because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how this business model works and whether it's the right opportunity for you. Let's start with the simplest definition. Dropshipping is an online business model where you sell products to customers without ever holding inventory yourself. Instead of buying products in bulk, storing them in your home, or renting a warehouse, you list items on your online store, and when someone places an order, you simply forward that order to a supplier who ships the product directly to your customer. That means no packing, no storing, no upfront inventory costs, and no worrying about unsold stock eating your profits. You're essentially acting as the middleman between the supplier and the customer, earning a profit on the difference between the product cost and the selling price. Now let's break down why this model is so popular, especially among beginners and students. The biggest reason is the low investment required to start. Traditional businesses need thousands of dollars just to begin: inventory, storage, packaging materials, shipping arrangements. But with dropshipping, you don't pay for a product until someone actually buys it. In other words, you only spend money when you're already making money. That's one of the reasons why dropshipping has become a go-to business model for people who want to start an online store but don't want the financial risk of traditional retail. Another reason dropshipping is appealing is because of how flexible and scalable it is. You can run the entire business from your laptop or your phone. You don't need a physical location, you don't need employees, and you don't need any special technical skills. If you're a student, a full-time worker, or someone looking for a side hustle, dropshipping allows you to work on your business whenever you have time, without major commitments. And once the store is running smoothly, you can scale up by adding more products, testing new niches, or automating certain tasks with simple tools. But the simplicity of the model doesn't mean it's effortless. Dropshipping is easy to start, but it's not guaranteed success. In this video, I want to explain exactly how the business works, what the actual process looks like, what the challenges are, and how you can set yourself up for long-term success instead of being just another beginner who quits after a few weeks. So let's walk through the entire dropshipping process from start to finish. First, you choose a niche. A niche is simply the category or theme of your store. Instead of selling random products, you focus on a specific audience. This could be fitness accessories, tech gadgets, pet supplies, home decor, beauty products, or anything people are actively searching for online. A strong niche helps your brand feel more trustworthy and makes your marketing much more effective. The second step is finding a reliable supplier. Dropshipping suppliers are companies that hold the inventory for you, handle the packaging, and ship the product directly to your customers. Popular supplier platforms include AliExpress, Walmart Suppliers, Spocket, CJ Dropshipping, and others. The key is finding suppliers who offer quality products, fast shipping options, and clear communication. This is the backbone of your business, because the supplier is the one actually fulfilling your orders. Once you have a niche and a supplier, the third step is creating your online store. Most people use Shopify because it's beginner-friendly, but there are other platforms like WooCommerce and BigCommerce. Shopify gives you templates, product pages, payment systems, and apps to automate almost everything. You upload product photos, write descriptions, set your pricing, and organize your store so it looks professional and trustworthy. After your store is built, the fourth step is driving traffic. That means getting people to visit your store. Dropshipping is not a build it and they will come business. You have to bring traffic to your store. There are two main ways to do this: paid traffic and organic traffic. Paid traffic includes running ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or Google. This can be expensive, but it allows you to scale quickly. Organic traffic includes posting content on TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest, or even blogging to get free visitors. Many beginners today grow their dropshipping stores using organic content because short-form video can go viral without spending money. Once someone visits your store and decides to buy, the fifth step is fulfilling the order. This is where the magic of dropshipping happens. A customer buys from your online store. For example, they pay $30 for a phone case. You then go to your supplier and buy that same phone case for maybe $8. You enter the customer's shipping information, pay the supplier the $8, and keep the $22 profit. The supplier ships the product directly to your customer, and your store collects the payment automatically. You never touch the inventory. But dropshipping isn't only about choosing products, making a store, and running ads. Successful stores focus heavily on customer service, branding, and product testing. The number one reason most beginners fail in dropshipping is because they expect immediate profits without understanding proper testing. Not every product will sell. In fact, only a few products become winners. You might test 5, 10, or even 20 products before finding the one that consistently sells. That's normal. Dropshipping is a numbers game, not a luck game. One of the biggest misconceptions about dropshipping is that it's a get-rich-quick scheme. You might have seen videos online saying you can build a store today and make thousands of dollars tomorrow. That's extremely misleading. Yes, dropshipping can generate high profits. You've probably seen success stories, but those people didn't win on day one. They tested products, learned from failures, improved their ads, and optimized their stores. Dropshipping is a real business, which means it requires real work. Let's talk about the advantages so you understand why so many people still choose this business model. First advantage: extremely low startup cost. You don't spend money on inventory. You don't rent a warehouse. You don't need staff. Second advantage: no logistics or shipping stress. The supplier handles all packaging, labeling, and shipping. Third advantage: flexible location. You can work from anywhere in the world as long as you have Wi-Fi. Fourth advantage: scalable model. Once you find a winning product, you can scale quickly using ads or content. Now let's talk about the challenges so you don't go in blind. The first challenge is shipping time. If your supplier is overseas, shipping can take longer than domestic brands. Customers today expect fast delivery. That means you need to choose suppliers who offer warehouses in the USA or faster shipping options. Second challenge: high competition. Since dropshipping is easy to start, thousands of people enter the market every day. What makes you stand out? Your branding, your product selection, and the way you market your store. Third challenge: customer complaints. If shipping is slow or product quality is inconsistent, customers will complain. You have to stay on top of customer service to keep your store reputation clean. Another challenge is ad costs. Facebook and TikTok ads are powerful, but they can be expensive. Beginners often lose money because they don't understand how to test ads properly. That's why many new entrepreneurs today start with organic marketing. They create simple videos showing the product in action, post them consistently, and grow traffic for free. Once they have profit, they reinvest into ads for scaling. Now, here's a common question: is dropshipping still profitable in 2026? The answer is yes, if you treat it like a real business. Dropshipping will never die because the core concept is simply retail without inventory. Every brand, even big companies, use some form of dropshipping or third-party fulfillment. The only difference is how you position your store. Instead of cheap products with long shipping times, modern dropshipping focuses on better suppliers, better branding, and better customer experience. If you want to succeed with dropshipping, here are some practical tips. Tip number 1. Choose problem-solving products. Items that solve a real need, like organizers, kitchen tools, fitness accessories, or pet products, always sell better than random gadgets. Tip number 2. Focus on product videos. Your ads and content will literally decide whether someone buys or scrolls past. Clear, engaging product videos are essential. Tip number 3. Build trust on your store. Add reviews, customer photos, FAQs, and clear shipping policies. People only buy when they feel safe. Tip number 4. Don't overprice. Beginners often double or triple prices without checking what competitors charge. Customers compare. Keep your prices competitive while still keeping profit margins. Tip number 5. Reinvest profits. Don't withdraw everything. Use profits to test more products, improve ads, and scale the business. Another question people ask is, how much can you realistically earn with dropshipping? Here's the truth. A beginner can earn anywhere from a few $100s a month all the way up to thousands depending on product selection, marketing, and consistency. Many successful dropshippers make $5,000 to $20,000 per month in profit once they scale. But it doesn't happen overnight, and you must be willing to learn. Let's walk through a quick example so you understand the numbers. Let's say you're selling a portable blender for $39.99 on your store. Your supplier sells the same blender for $14. You run ads or organic content, and a customer buys it from you. You pay the supplier $14 plus maybe $2 shipping, and keep roughly $24 profit. Imagine you get just 10 orders per day. That's $240 profit per day, $7,000 a month. And that's just one product. Of course, results vary, but this is what makes dropshipping attractive: the ability to scale a product that sells well. The final thing I want you to understand is that dropshipping is not about selling random trending toys or short-term fads. The people making long-term money today are building branded stores. A branded store focuses on quality, repeat customers, fast shipping, and great presentation. When your store looks like a real brand, not just a random dropshipping shop, your conversions increase, you get fewer complaints, and customers are more loyal. So if you've been thinking about starting dropshipping as a low-investment side hustle, this is your sign to take action. Start small, test products, learn from your mistakes, and improve your store step by step. You don't need a huge budget. You don't need to be a tech expert. What you need is patience, consistency, and the willingness to try different strategies until you find what works. Thank you for watching Stock Predictor. If you want more videos like this about online business, investing, and creating income streams, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Let me know in the comments what business model you want me to cover next. See you in the next video.